Hey there, fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything related to bikes. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into the world of Royal Enfield. I'll share my personal experience, give you some pro tips and tricks, and guide you on how to make an informed decision while buying a Royal Enfield. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back and relax while I take you on a journey. Hey guys, before we get started, please do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. As I already mentioned, today we are going to talk about Royal Enfield, one of the oldest and most iconic motorcycle brands in the world. Whether you are a seasoned rider or a newbie, Royal Enfield's classic and vintage charm is hard to resist. But the question is, how to choose the right one for you. That's what we are going to discuss in this video. Before we begin, let's briefly talk about the history of this iconic brand. Royal Enfield was the first motorcycle company in the world to have a dedicated assembly line. Founded in 1893 in Redditch, England, the company initially produced sewing needles, auto parts, and even rifles. However, it wasn't until 1901 that their first motorcycle rolled out of the factory gates. The brand has come a long way since then, and today it is a top-of-the-line motorcycle manufacturer with a global reach. So let's start with the pros and cons of owning a Royal Enfield. The biggest advantage is the classic and vintage look and feel that it exudes. These bikes are not just mechanically sound, but also a visual treat. The thumping sound of the engine is like music to a rider's ears. However, there are some disadvantages to owning one as well. The older models require a lot of maintenance, and the bikes tend to vibrate a lot when you are at higher speeds. So, you need to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Now that we have discussed the advantages and disadvantages, let's talk about the different types of Royal Enfield bikes that you can choose from. Royal Enfield offers a wide range of motorcycles, including the Classic, Thunderbird, Himalayan, Interceptor, and Continental GT. Each of them is designed to suit different riding styles, terrains, and preferences. For example, if you are looking for a touring bike, the Thunderbird or Himalayan would be a great option, while if you are looking for a sporty ride, the Continental GT would be the perfect fit. Now comes the most crucial part, budget. Royal Enfield motorcycles are not cheap, and you should have a good idea of how much you are willing to spend before making a purchase. However, financing options are available that can make your dream bike more affordable than you think. There are different financing plans of tenure ranging from 3 years to 5 years. However, it is important to understand the interest rates and processing fees before opting for a finance plan. Before finalizing a Royal Enfield bike, always take it for a test drive. During the test drive, carefully inspect the bike's handling, braking, engine, and suspension. Make sure you are comfortable with the seating position and that the bike is meeting your expectations. Also, inquire about the maintenance schedule, availability of spare parts, and post-sale service. Royal Enfield has a huge service network worldwide with trained mechanics. Ensure you understand the frequency of servicing and availability of service centers in your area. Riding gear and accessories are important for both comfort and safety. Depending on your riding style and preferences, you can choose from a wide range of helmets, jackets, gloves, and boots. Royal Enfield offers a range of accessories designed specifically for their bikes, including crash guards, luggage carriers, and saddlebags. Always make sure to wear proper gear and accessories while riding a Royal Enfield to ensure safety. And that wraps up our 8-minute guide on buying a Royal Enfield bike. I hope you found the video informative and helpful. As always, if you have any other questions regarding Royal Enfield bikes, do leave them in the comments section below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and share it with your friends who are passionate about motorcycles.